What's the meaning of credit? Credit. Credit.
Credit. Credit. Credit refers to a financial arrangement where one party borrows money from another party with the promise of paying it back at a later date. In exchange for providing the loan, the lender typically charges interest or other fees. The term is also used more broadly to refer to a person's financial reputation and history of borrowing and repaying money. A good credit score can make it easier to obtain loans and credit cards on favorable terms, while a poor credit score can make it harder to access credit or lead to higher interest rates.